Okay, I would say this was not really planned for, but anyway, today we're gonna make some picanha. Okay, there we go. Time to prep the picanha. So I did go to the store to buy some yogurt, and I came home with this. Just as good. This is actually Swedish picanha, which is really rare. It's normally imported, and it was only 139 SEK per kilogram, which is more or less was $7.50 US to the pound, which is a really good price even for an important one. The prep of this is going to be very easy because I'm going to cook it as a roast, and this has been straight cut. It's normally cut like a triangle. I don't know why they cut off the end, but sure looks like the picanha anyway. They already scoured the cap, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna remove a little bit of the excess here so that it's not too thick, and then I'm gonna season this with some bry salt, which is a South African smoked salt that is the coarsest one that I could find here. I didn't want to go get some sea salt or Malon salt or something like that I didn't have, and I think that's good enough. You want some fat on there too. I'm going to get a little bit here. You want some fat on there that's going to render during the cook. We will cook this on the kettle, or I will cook this and show you how to do that on the kettle as a roast. And I will first sear it, and then I'm going to cook it indirect until it reaches about 125 internal. Okay, bry salt. Like I said, it's a smoked salt, and it's pretty coarse. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just gonna put this on here, and then I'm gonna leave this. First, I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for about maybe 4 or 5 hours, and then bring it out and bring it up to room temperature, and then I'm gonna cook it. So that's it. I wonder if the snow's gonna melt. And as Mrs. Lasse's Food and Barbecue said, someone might believe it's just a joke because it's the 1st of April, but it's not. Anyway, see you back in a few hours. This has been sitting out at room temperature, and it's time to sear it and then put it on the cooker. I've got the new cast iron grate on here, and it's steaming a bit because it's snowing quite a lot. Oh well, I seasoned this grate today with regular canola oil, and it's just been sprayed on and wiped down probably 10 times or so. I think it turned out pretty nicely. So this is what it looks like up close. It's like a shiny non-stick surface at the moment. I don't know what it's gonna be like. Anyway, I need to put the lid on here because this is gonna go. It's too cold out here. It's really cold and it's windy. Anyway, bring it back in a bit. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Let's see what this looks like. Got a little bit of flames. I think that looks good. I'm going to turn it over. Good to sear on the other side as well. I just want this fat cap to start rendering down, and then I'm going to put it fat side up, put a probe in, and I'm just going to put the probe in now actually, and then move it to indirect and cook it until it's about 125 internal. Okay, so it's been a couple of more minutes. Let's see what this looks like. I know not everyone agrees with the sear marks. I actually do like those. That's why I got the grate to start with. Anyway, I'm just going to cut this to steaks when I eat it, so it's not going to be that much more. Anyway, it's still snowing, so lid on and then indirect. And there we are. I moved it over to the indirect side. I don't have a heat shield, so I don't know. It will have to do. I'm not going to worry about pit temps. I want it to be high really, so I've got the vents fully open, and I'll go on the internal temp. Okay, so it's been about an hour, or half an hour, and time to look at this. It's starting to look really good. It's pulling together nicely. I'm going to move it to the side like so, and then I'm going to throw some potato on here. I think that could go over there. This one should fit nicely there. There we go. lid on. The meat is at about 111 at the moment, so it needs a few more minutes. Okay, so the probe says time to take this off. Just gonna double check that. Yeah, it's actually 1:30. I did want to take this off. Oh, that was right at the end. Thickest part, it's over 140. I'm going to take it off, wrap it in some foil and let it rest while the potatoes are finishing up. Okay, let's see what we have here. This has been resting probably 20 minutes. Wrapped up to keep it warm. Okay, so I checked before cutting this, and the fibers are going that way. No, sorry, the fibers are going this way. So I'm gonna cut it into long steaks. So I'm gonna give this a cut. Looks really, really juicy. Yeah, that looks perfect to me. This has come out really, really nice. I'm gonna give this a taste. Okay, let's try this. Picanha has so much flavor. It's only seasoned with salt, but it's all it needs. It's really, really good. Try it, you're gonna like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.